The $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. Yay!
Travelling to a game here at Anfield, or maybe following the Reds away from home. There's a good chance you'll be connecting to public Wi-Fi somewhere along the way. But did you know that the free Wi-Fi is the hacker's favourite pitch? So instead of chasing a ball, they're ready to steal your sensitive information.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits, and no kidding, working with you to get rich with crypto. This is the first in a series of videos where I am going to be working with Ruben from Coinrule, which shows you how you can begin trading really, really easily, even if you're not a professional trader or a technical analyst or anything like that. And if you sign up with my link below, you can get the lowest tier subscription for free. Just use the link in the description below. And what we're going to be doing is the $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. Yay!
Yeah. Hi everyone. Thanks, Rich, for having me.
Hey, Ruben, you're so welcome. You're so welcome. And just so people know, I've put in $500 worth of Tether myself, and Ruben has put in $500 Tether of his own Tether. So, and then we're going to split the proceeds 50-50, whether that's $10 at the end of this period, whatever
Hopefully
this period,
not.
hopefully not, right? Or 1,000 Bitcoin, which would be really, really great, but it's very unlikely to happen straight away anyway. So let me share the screen.
Never knows. Crypto market is crazy, so let's not set up any target.
This is true. And there you can see both of us. This is Coinrule, coinrule.io, but use my link and then you get a subscription for free to try it out, test it, and you can always upgrade at any point. So I did in a previous video, which will be linked in the playlist, Coinrule $1,000 challenge, show you how I set up the API and stuff, and I showed my balance, and I'm going to show you my balance so you know what we're starting with. So I've already got a little bit of crypto in this, including some Polkadot, and I'm just waiting for a really great wallet for it to get listed on out of here, because you shouldn't keep your crypto on exchanges. And if you're going to play this game, follow us with this game, do not put in more money than you can afford to lose.
Absolutely. This is the first rule.
Yes. So you can see I've got some Polkadot, Komodo, Bitcoin, a little teeny weeny bit of Bitcoin, and some GVT. And they are locked in trades. I've put in orders so they won't get triggered by the bot. So they're kind of locked in. And then this one, Fuel and Ether Party, I'm going to convert to BNB, and I'm going to send this BNB out to my own wallet where I have the private keys. I don't know what to do with this Fuel. I may just convert that to Dust as well. All right.
So let's start.
Let's get going.
One thing that I would like, Rich, if you allow me to make a step back and to see where the market is, because
Sure.
this is the general question that everyone is asking these days. This is the chart that we update on a daily basis for our community. So here I have all my areas of interest. The price of Bitcoin USD is more or less the same across all the liquid exchanges. So you can chart your lines in your analysis basically on the exchange that you prefer. What is more important to see is that we had a consolidation area for basically all August that eventually broke on the downside and found for now a support on a very, very key area. This key area is represented by this local top, and it was the higher bound of the accumulation area that we saw between May and July, around the end of July when it broke on the upside. So what I expect here, what is important for trading is that you never need to make any forecast of midterm and long term. You can have a view, but that view should always be weighted looking at what charts is saying to you. So the chart for now is saying that this is a very key, it was a very key resistance area. Technical analysis theory says that if a area is a very strong resistance, eventually should also provide the support in the future. So we are seeing now a retest of this area. These are critical. When there is an uptrend, the price always has eventual shakeouts on the downside. That's because the market is testing how buyers are really willing to keep buying in when the price goes down. So that's why a support area is very crucial. So now what I would expect looking at the chart is that if this level holds, we can see some sideways moves here, or eventually a retest of 11,000 in the coming days if this is proved as support. I was thinking that to start with our challenge, I would buy some Bitcoin here, because as I said, this could be a good area of support, so it would be good to start with a bit of allocation in USD. USD is generally the less risky among all the coins. We saw that when the market was going down, the coins were going down also versus Bitcoin, so that means that they were losing value not only in USD term but also in BTC terms. So holding a bit of Bitcoin, it means that you are exposed to the general crypto risk, but in a less extent than buying other altcoins. One thing that it would be very cool if you could go on Coinrule. We can show how you can very simply buy directly cryptocurrencies using our platform.
So this is my Coinrule account, and you can see the balance that it's got available, $1,061.59. So I'm going to send this Bitcoin out somewhere else so it doesn't confuse things.
Yeah, or you can just set up as we did another order on the exchange. In this way, the bot is not able to see the available balance of Bitcoin, so I cannot trade it.
Okay, no, I'll send it out because then it won't show up as part of our gains or losses. Okay, now, so what do we want to do? Sorry, Ruben, one second, just to say what this platform offers are really easy ways of setting up trading rules. And that's what we're going to be looking at the market in these videos as part of the $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. And we're going to be showing you how to set up really easy trading rules using the Coinrule application. And we're going to be showing you how we adjust those trading rules very, very simply so that anyone, even someone like me who's trained in social work for crying out, can use the Coinrule in order to accumulate Bitcoin or other altcoins however you wish. All right, so what do you want me to do, Ruben?
So you can just create a rule.
Okay.
Click on the top right.
Create rule.
Yeah. A very cool option is to just select your exchange where you want to trade. In this case, Binance.
People can also demo exchanges if they want to practice.
Yeah, this is a very cool feature that we allow for free for all our users. The possibility to test out their strategies on a demo exchange. So we provide a virtual allocation so that everyone can test out the strategies before running them live. One cool thing is the direct order. So many times, also before we were just playing out with some trades on Binance, there was a bit of confusion with the interface. If you are a beginner trader, many times you find all these platforms kind of confusing because you don't know where to click, how to set up the amounts, what coins to buy, what coins to sell, what is the trading pair, whatsoever. With Coinrule, that it's made very simply for everyone. Just click on direct order.
Okay, here, direct order.
Exactly.
Trade immediately.
Perfect. Now just let's say, so I said, I would like to buy $100 of BTC and we have available USDT balance. So we will say buy 100 USD worth, okay, from the drop down, we will select BTC.
Oh, but look at this. Best performing coin, worst performing, best performing coin in my portfolio, worst in my portfolio, or any one of these if I wanted to. So it's like you said, if I wanted to go in and buy DOT, for example, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of using the exchange, because this is just so much simpler.
Exactly.
Yeah, and remember, it's if you can try this out for free with my link in the description below. There's nothing to lose. BTC.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, why $100 worth? Because there's something about how much to not throwing everything in.
Because I think that we can start with a bit of crypto allocation at this point. As we were discussing, we are at the support, so it would make sense to start buying a bit. The rest will be traded automatically with the rules that we are going to run in a few minutes.
Okay. Right, buy with this wallet.
We have USDT balance, so select USDT wallet.
As market order.
Market order is totally fine because we want to jump into the market as quickly as possible.
Right, I can name this rule.
Let's just say buy BTC.
Buy BTC now. Oh,
Here I am.
hi there. Hi there,
Hi.
Ruben. Ruben, is this your twin brother?
Exactly. You see, we are multitasking at CoinRollio.
Or no, this might be a fork. Ruben Cash and Ruben Bitcoin.
Ruben Light.
Ruben Light, Ruben Classic. Okay, so what I like.
Yeah, this is very important.
Chances to confirm.
Yeah, this is very important. Before running all your rules, always double check this summary, because sometimes maybe you typed too quickly, so some setup is not according to what you were actually going to do. So this is helps you to double check that everything is okay before entering the market.
Buy $100 of Bitcoin with my USDT wallet as market order. Execute run right now.
Yeah,
that's what I said. Here we go. Well done. Your rule is now live.
Perfect.
So that'll take a few minutes to buy.
Yeah, usually around 1 minute just to run the calculation, send the order to the market, and getting the confirmations. Now, since we were saying that risk management is crucial whenever you trade, one thing that I would do at this point, since we have an allocation of BTC, I would create another rule to protect our portfolio from the risk of downside. So what we do, we can create another rule again on the
top.
Right? Yeah.
Create rule. Do I need to select exchange first?
Exactly.
Okay. Now what do I want?
So what we can try to do now is to select Bitcoin. So in the event that Bitcoin,
is it already selected event?
Yeah, from the drop down any coin, select BTC. You will get the selection.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say that if Bitcoin has a price increase.
Price.
Yeah, increase.
And then increase here. Increase by
0.5%.
0.5%.
Within here it's interesting because we can select the time frame within which we want to calculate that percentage. I see that in these days even brief price spikes of 0.5 1% happens in a very short period of time, so we can select something like 30 minutes. Okay. Now let's add an action. So what we did here, this is a different approach than we used before with the direct order. So here we are giving some instructions to the bot. In case BTC has a price increase of 0.5% within 30 minutes, I want to sell. So let's add an action to sell.
Yep.
50 USD. Remember, we bought 100 USD worth of BTC. I want to sell now in case there is a slightly price increase, anticipating eventually a drop down. So BTC, I want to sell back to my USDT wallet. Perfect. And then let's add another condition. So what the bot will do when it will sell $50 of Bitcoin. So let's add another action, another condition, an operator.
Oh, sorry, operator.
So the operator says, then after selling, what should I do? I will add another condition, the then is fine at this point. We will show the functionalities of the other operators with the other rules.
Yep.
That coin has a price.
So that would be the Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, we follow the previous selection. So we select here price, decrease by 0.8. at which I sold. It's okay, because this is very cool, because that links the price at which you sold to the price that will be bought back the coin. So you can make sure that that margin of 0.8% is respected between the price at which you sold and then bought back. Then finally, let's add an action. So what we want to do when the price decreases 0.8% from the price at which I sold, I want to buy back.
So click here.
Yep.
Action. Buy.
Let's buy back 50 USD worth of. You can leave that coin. It's always that coin is always referred to Bitcoin that we are trading. Again, with my USDT wallet. So we sold to the USDT wallet. The USDT wallet, TUSD. You selected.
Yes.
You select.
USDT. That's a different one. Okay.
There are so many stable coins, and some these days can be sometimes confusing.
This is Tether.
Yeah, exactly.
USDT. Yep.
Let's execute this rule for 10 times for now. In case if we see that it's performing well, we can always launch it. And this we can call it sell Bitcoin and buy back. Cool. Let's click on launch, so we have an overview of what we did so far. So if Bitcoin has a price increase of 0.5% within 30 minutes, so if there is a spike in price, I want to sell part of my BTC wallet, hoping for a price decrease of 0.8% to buy back. So we can click on launch.
Here we go. And that has, made a net loss of minus 4 cents on that one. No problem. No problem. The status is live. The status is live. No growth as yet. It's just waiting for the signals, and then it will sell BTC when it goes up a little bit, buy some USDT, and then when BTC goes down, it'll buy more BTC with the USDT. Fabulous.
Yeah. Even if we are getting a small loss here, for my point of view, it's totally fine, because remember that we have a strategy that buys and sell Bitcoin in a range, and also should take advantage of a small drawdown. So this rule that we just launched should be a small edge in case something happens, and since then, until then, we will wait and see how the market evolves.
Fabulous.
In the next episode.
Yeah, in the next video, we're also going to see how we did. I'm going to move the Bitcoin that I've got out of this wallet so it doesn't make a mess of anything, so we can see clearly. And also, we're going to be setting up more rules tomorrow and the day after and the day after, and you'll see how this goes as we accumulate more and more Bitcoin inside the $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. Well, Ruben, anything else you want to say before we finish up?
I'm looking forward to see how this goes, and let's see tomorrow.
Absolutely. Well, listen, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rich.
But if you're watching, please sign up. Use my link in the description below. You get to use CoinRule for free forever if you like. And then you can upgrade to the different plans. And my link will give you all the information that you need. Join the Telegram group for CoinRule, or follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, and join my official announcements channel. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, come over to BitTube, because I'm posting these videos first on BitTube before I post them on YouTube. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with Bitcoin profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Ruben signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
Cheers.